The Dow continues to have a hard time getting up through the T line, but that's also on a factor where Boeing has been depleting the bullish trend on the Dow. The NASDAQ and the S&P 500 have both come up through the T line and trading positive. So with that evidence that the bulls are in those indexes, the assumption has to be that the uptrend is in progress, even though it's not a resilient uptrend just yet, until the Dow gets up above the T line also. However, it is making for some very good trade setups. ALGN, for example, after doing a doji and a hammer on the 50, did a morning star signal, closing right at the T line and trading positive from here, making the prospect of this moving back up into the trend trajectory. Again, these are reversal signals with stochastics in the oversold area, and closing above the T line provides high probability results of continuing to move higher. And the same results can be analyzed in trends that have reversed, such as BAH, a left-right combo closing above the T line, confirmed with a gap up above the T line, confirming this signal, as well as indicating that this little downtrending resistance level is not going to act as resistance anymore, making the prospect of this wave continuing with the same magnitude as this wave over here. Once again, the left-right combo, a doji followed by a bullish engulfing signal, is a very strong reversal signal. You add the fact that it closed above the T line, gapped up from that signal, and continued above the T line breaking out, just puts you in a situation where the probabilities are pretty strong. You're probably going to be in another big, strong uptrend. The J-hook pattern is becoming very prevalent in this market conditions. As we can see in TLRA, strong price move, pullback with a bullish engulfing signal, a left-right combo right on the T line, making any positive trading above this level also creating the probabilities that wave 1 and wave 3 are going to be the same magnitude. This allows for candlestick analysis to provide very simple entry and exit strategies. One, if it trades positive, you can be buying because it tells you the J-hook pattern is breaking out. And two, you know that if it closes back below the halfway point of this candle, that's telling you they didn't break out. You close out the trade again and wait for the next buy signal. The advantage provided by candlestick analysis is it allows candlestick investors to recognize which patterns have a high probability of not only producing a positive result, but a strong positive result. As we can see in CBay, our recommendation for Wednesday, you had a fry pan bottom that created a very strong price move. Then you had a J-hook pattern. This is what we call the classic pattern. That when you see a J-hook pattern setting up after a fry pan bottom, the prerequisite for a J-hook is a strong price move. The results of a fry pan bottom breakout is a strong price move. This combination of patterns usually result in a high probability trade setup where this next wave will be the same magnitude as this wave right here. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.